Hello everyone, it's another beautiful day here in Sonoma County. I'm Lauren Thompson with Corcoran Icon Properties. Debbie Pinnell and I have another great piece of real estate to share with you all today. This home has been cared for by the same family since it was originally built in 1971. This is the first time on the market for this gorgeous home, and it's ready for a new homeowner to make it theirs. We are located in the prestigious Rincon Valley School District. We've got a little over 2,000 square feet, a very spacious single level floor plan, on an almost completely flat 13,000 square foot lot. Let's go take a look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this property or anything else real estate related, please reach out.